I ask? May not all seem relevant, but I do have to ask them all, okay?
As a call handler at NHS 111, I assess calls and direct them to the most appropriate service. Before I came to NHS 111, I was actually a Sunderland University English graduate. Career-wise, I was a recreation assistant at a sports centre. Before it was Grey's knees, now it's more treating abdominal pain and treating things that are more serious and that people actually need help for. We do cover a wide variety of things. I think the most recent example was probably this morning. I had a gentleman with a broken tooth. He was a dementia patient. Carer said, I don't think he's going to be suitable to go to a dental service, so I found him an alternative dental service that was more directed to his personal circumstance. To be able to help people and direct them on different things is probably the most rewarding thing. At the beginning of my role, we'd done 2 weeks classroom-based training, and then at the end of that, that's when we would be paired up with a coach. We would listen to their calls first, and then once we'd felt comfortable, we would start taking calls ourselves. Before I worked for NHS 111, I didn't even know what sepsis was, so to be able to recognise those symptoms has definitely shown the progression and the significance of my training here. My proudest moment of working at NHS 111 is that I received a call from a young lady that was standing on the other end of a bridge, and she was going to commit suicide, and she's rang us just asking for help. Didn't know what to do. She seemed quite lost, quite distressed. I was on the phone for an hour and a half just convincing her that it wasn't the kind of best way forward, and that we can offer help in other areas. At the end of the call, whenever someone says, "Oh, thank you very much," I just needed someone to listen. I mean, that was probably my proudest moment. I want to be a trainer at NHS 111. In order to do this, I have to be a coach first. So I've just applied to be a coach now, and hopefully that's the next stepping stone in my career here.